Hey guys, welcome to Log Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to activate or turn on your messenger chat hits on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn on the chat hits on your messenger, first open up your messenger app on your phone like this. And after you have opened your messenger app like this, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three line icon. Tap over there and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings just beside your name. Tap on that settings like this, and over here guys, scroll down and you can see the chat hits just above the app updates, and there is a toggle icon just beside that. And if you tap on that toggle icon, you can see it moves. And if your toggle icon is gray guys, that's because if your toggle icon is gray, that is why your chat heads are not turned on or activated. So tap it on it, and when it turns on blue, your chat heads will start to appear on your phone. And there guys, this is how you turn on the messenger chat heads on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.